Another modern disease that we are hearing about more than ever is PCOS. All right, do you have PCOS? So many women have PCOS these days. I know you had PCOS, Penelope, when you were 320 pounds. I'm Helene, this is my daughter Penelope. We've lost over 260 pounds naturally with no loose skin, and she reversed her PCOS because when you go to the doctor, come to find out there is actually no solution for PCOS.
There are also girls in our group reversing their PCOS naturally, which is just amazing. And I had a girl reach out recently actually to me how she can reverse her PCOS, and these are some of the things that I told her to do that we're about to tell you.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe.
In this video, we're going to tell you the things that we did that had us and our clients and our friends reversing PCOS naturally.
I learned recently that 80% of your immune system lives behind your gut.
It's pretty extraordinary how much of your immune system and your mood and your hormone health reside in your gut microbiome. So it might not be your fault that you have PCOS because you probably didn't know that all that junk food that you might have been eating thinking it was fine, it isn't actually. It completely destabilizes your gut microbiome health. And the more junk you feed your body, the more PCOS you're encouraging. And it's really a problem because it actually affects your fertility, it affects your mood, it affects your ability to lose weight. And there's a lot of women, Penelope, have come to us that have said, well, I can't lose the weight. They actually believe that it's impossible for them to lose weight because they have PCOS. And they think that the only way to get out of it is to take these weight loss medications. And I'm here to tell you, it actually further complicates the issue because it causes major problems with your gut microbiome, gut motility, permanent changes to your gut microbiome that we don't actually know, changes to your gut motility, potentially even paralysis. And you informed me, or yesterday I think it was, that people are actually having to get their colon removed as a result of some of these drugs. That stuff isn't even being publicized yet. One thing that we do know is that women who have PCOS actually have less diversity in their gut microbiome. And so just to clarify, you have a bunch of bacteria living in your gut microbiome and each one of them has a name. Just pretend like they're characters in a show. And some are good guys and some are bad guys.
They all have friends, and some of their friends are good and not so good.
Right. So the more junk you feed the bad guys, they like the junk food.
The fatter they'll get. They'll grow.
They'll grow and proliferate and become, greater. And so we want to reduce those guys and be like, hey, we're going to let you guys out the back door. And we want to encourage the good guys to grow.
The way you do this, I learned on my journey, is for me, it really helped to starve my body of flour and sugar. So I completely eradicated those things. White flour, white sugar.
And that starves those bad guys, by the way.
Starving the bad guys. And it is a very intense detox you go through. For a while, I felt.
But it's not that long when you think about it.
But I think when you've been doing it your whole life, it's pretty intense.
And there are detox, you do get detox reactions. But let's just step back for a minute. When you continue to feed the bad guys, you get inflammation. And you get dysbiosis, gas, bloating, constipation, diarrhea, all kinds of issues, pain, stomach pain, bloating. Should I say bloating? Did I say bloating again? I mean, it's really an issue, right? And when you have all that inflammation, it encourages PCOS. The detox is real, and that's why the support group that we have embedded in our program is really, really helpful. Because trusting the process, knowing that you're in a process that actually works, and believing that your body can heal itself is a big part of the equation.
And a lot of you guys are reaching out to me asking me what kind of foods you can eat for PCOS, what kind of meals you can be making. And we teach a lot about all of these things in our course. So if you want to learn all about that, you can actually just go buy our course in our link in the description.
Another point inside of this is that your gut bacteria actually influences your hormone health. Your gut bacteria influences your mental stability. Penelope used to be anxious and depressed. She no longer has those things, and she never took a medication to eradicate those things. She was able to reverse it through rebuilding her gut microbiome and rebalancing the bacteria in her gut so that it just disappeared. It just lifted off of you, just kind of like the weight melted off of you. The depression and anxiety lifted off of you. And we know there is enough concrete science showing the gut-brain axis. I have many certificates in nutritional psychology in addition to the bachelor's and master's degree in nutrition. And I love food, so I was on MasterChef, and we write cookbooks. So when we're saying we starve the bad bacteria, what we are doing is we're adding a ton of flavor, and we're adding a ton of color, and we're adding a ton of abundant, delicious, healing foods. We don't believe in deprivation. We don't believe in starvation. We believe in rebuilding the body, the hormones, the bacteria from the inside out. So we mobilize all of your body's healing systems. It's really simple, it's really natural, and it's really logical. And it's not that expensive.
If you're a woman and you're ready to lose the weight once and for all naturally, and you want to make a change forever and change your life, then you should definitely click the link in the description.
Yeah, because this is not about willpower. Like, your willpower isn't broken. It's just that your body just needs to have the right information and your mind needs the right information. So if you're ready, definitely reach out to us. And ready, when I say ready, I mean also to invest the time that's required to refocus on learning what you need to know so you're no longer misinformed and you can reverse all this. I swear.
If you would like to support our work in making America beautiful, healthy, and vibrant again, then please support our Substack. We post our recipes, behind the scenes, and little bits and bobs of our life. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we will see you all the time.